Eating sea cucumber during Chinese New Year symbolizes abundance, prosperity, and a better life. Now, sea cucumber is usually cooked with other more luxurious ingredients like abalone to further enhance its symbolism. But for today, I'm going to keep this Chinese New Year preparation simple, and we're going to braise this with pork belly.
Let's start by rehydrating some dried shiitake mushrooms. Soak them in hot water for about 30 minutes. When buying pork belly for this dish, choose those that are leaner and has less fat. Cut up your pork belly into about 1-inch bite-sized pieces. Cut the sea cucumber up into 1-inch pieces as well. You will also need some garlic, but just give them a smash to remove the skin. Okay, now back to the mushrooms. After 30 minutes of soaking, the mushrooms will be soft and rehydrated. Use a pair of scissors to cut away the stems. Discard the stems, but save the mushroom water. We will need it for cooking later. This braised dish starts with some stir frying. So, put a pan over medium heat. When the pan is hot, add in some oil. Just a little oil here, as the pork belly will release more oil. When the oil is hot, add in the garlic, and the pork belly. Fry this garlic and pork belly till the pork turns white and has taken on a little color on the outside. Next, add in the sea cucumber. And the mushrooms. Give all this a good mix and fry it for about a minute or two. Then, add in oyster sauce, sugar, light soy sauce, white pepper, Chinese cooking wine, and a little dark soy sauce for the color. Add in enough water to almost the top of the ingredients. Bring all this to a boil, then lower the heat to a simmer. Cover and simmer for about 40 minutes. But do remember to check the water level often to make sure that it doesn't dry up. In this 40 minutes, I had to top up water twice. The braising liquid would have been about half the level of the ingredients. If there's too little water, add some water to it. If there's too much water, turn up the heat to reduce the liquid further. Taste and adjust for seasoning. When it is the way you like it to be, turn off the heat. To thicken the sauce a little, mix some corn flour with water. Pour most of this cornstarch slurry into the wok. Give all this a good mix. Turn the heat back up to medium and bring it to a gentle boil. The gravy would have thickened a little. If it is not thick enough, add more cornstarch slurry. When the gravy has thickened, we are done. This braised pork belly with sea cucumber will bring a touch of tradition and good fortune to your table this Chinese New Year. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Busy Daddy Cooks for more fuss-free, flavor-packed recipes. Happy New Year everyone!